Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today we are going to clean the bathroom. It has been long and it was very dirty. This is after cleaning it. Now it looks better. And as I wash the bathroom, I'm going to share with you I'm going to talk about what has been up with my YouTube channel. I know most people have been asking what happened to my channel, because these days I don't have the membership where people can join my channel and become a member. And I'm here to tell everybody who had bought my membership, because now they can't access my private videos. I'm very sorry for what happened. I promised some time back that I'll tell you what happened. So today I'm here to explain it, and this is what happened. And also me, I was very shocked. I didn't expect it, and I felt really bad when it happened. So one morning I woke up to an email. I was sent an email by Google, YouTube, and my membership was stopped. Monetization was stopped on my channel, and this was because of some content that I used. There are some videos that I took from Instagram, and they were shorts. I took these videos from a page, and it was about beadwork. Then I came and posted it here on my channel without adding anything on it. Yeah, and that's how YouTube demonetized my channel, because I was using somebody's content. But it didn't happen immediately I posted it. It took a very long time before they did that, and even me, I was very shocked. That's why I was very shocked, because this video has been there for so long on my channel. I don't really know what happened then. So they told me to wait for some time, for I think it was 3 months, so that I can reapply for monetization. Or if you are sure the content is yours, you can appeal and let them know that the content is yours and you didn't use anybody's content. So guys, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry for those who had bought my membership, and very soon we are coming back. I'm already on it and it's being resolved. So if you're here and you haven't subscribed, please help me reach the 4K subscribers, please, and watch my videos so that I can get watch time and get back to my feed. Also, so that's why I've not been posting a lot, because I was really discouraged. And yeah, I hope today I've told you what happened. And if you're having a YouTube channel and you've been using somebody's contents, please stop it, and don't say I've been using it and they didn't do anything, people are still watching. No, it will take time. They will not do it immediately, because they don't always check everything every time you post. So watch out guys, and yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for being here, and for those who are still subscribing on my channel. So let's go back to cleaning. Oh, before I forget, if you'd like to try the products that I used on cleaning these tiles, I'll post the next video and show you everything that I mixed here. There were about 6 products if I'm not wrong. So if you'd like to try, because this product they are very nice. The dirt does just come out with ease, and you can try. Yeah, so watch out for my next video. I'll show you everything that I used, that I mixed in this bottle. And make sure you have a spray bottle to use, a brush, and something like that, like this, with a black handle. So make sure also you switch on the notification bell, so that when I post next time you get notified. Yeah, so let's clean the bathroom and